If you want your CapCut exports to look as crisp and professional as possible, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 4K CapCut quality in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if you want your videos to look cleaner, sharper, and more cinematic on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or anywhere else you post content. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick editing tips just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure you're at the main editing screen. When you're ready to export, look to the top right corner and click the Export button. This will open the Export menu where all of your final quality settings are located. Now, the first setting you want to change is the resolution. By default, CapCut may have this set to 1080p, but if you want true 4K quality, open the resolution drop-down and switch it to 4K, also labeled Ultra HD. This is one of the most important steps because it tells CapCut to render your video in a much higher resolution, which helps preserve detail and keep your footage looking sharp. Next, move down to the frame rate setting. If your footage supports it, set the frame rate to 60 frames per second. This gives your video smoother motion and a more polished feel, especially if you're editing fast movement, gameplay tutorials, or social media content with lots of motion. Higher frame rate can make a big difference in perceived quality, so if 60 frames per second is available, it's usually the best choice for a clean modern look. After that, you want to focus on the code rate or bitrate setting. This controls how much data CapCut uses when exporting your video, and a higher bitrate generally means better visual quality. If you see a high option, select that. If CapCut gives you a customized bitrate option, choose a high value for even better results. This helps reduce compression, prevents blocky artifacts, and keeps fine details intact, especially in scenes with movement, text, or gradients. If you're editing content that needs to look extra professional, this step is just as important as choosing 4K resolution. Once all of your export settings are updated, take a second to review everything before exporting. You want to make sure your resolution is set to 4K, your frame rate is at 60 frames per second if available, and your bitrate is set to high for the best possible output. Then go ahead and start the export process and let CapCut render your video. Depending on the length of your project and the power of your device, exporting in 4000 may take a little longer, but the final result is usually worth it. Your video should now come out looking much sharper, smoother, and more professional. And that's how you get 4000 CapCut quality in just a few easy steps. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut editing tutorials, export settings tips, and quality improvement tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.